Yeah, welcome back to the session after the exam. Hope all have written exam very well. Let me propose final valedictory function. On behalf of Department of CSE, VNR VJ IET, I thank ASCT Atal for funding me for organizing this event, FDP on augmented reality and virtual reality, even during the pandemic situation. And I take this privilege to thank the management of VNR VJIT, Principal, Director, and HOD CSE, Dr. B.V. Kiranmayi, the convener of the workshop, for their constant support and guidance. I would like to thank our speakers, Arvind Neelkantan, Jay Naresh, Pradeep Sarkar, Rajesh Pukhtar, Mayur Datrak, for their excellent sessions during these 5 days of session. And last but not the least, I thank all the participants who have joined all over India and for their constant listening for all the sessions with utmost attendance and eagerness. Once again, I thank all for the constant support encouragement that you have given me for all these 5 days. Thank you very much. Now I request B.V. Kiranmayi ma'am to talk.
Yeah, Radhika, thank you very much. Welcome to the valedictory session, dear participants. A very good afternoon to all. So I think this 5-day FDP on AR/VR certainly helped you a lot. At least I think you got awareness of the difference between the augmented reality and the virtual reality. And I think you will be expressing or else you will be exposure. You'll have a better exposure on the augmented reality and the virtual reality. All the best, and I thank the coordinators, all the coordinators, and also the participants and the speakers for making this AR/VR a grand success. Thank you all. Over to Radhika.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your words. Now I request Mr. Gangappa, the coordinator of the workshop, to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Honorable Principal, respected Director, sir, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to everyone present over here. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, VNR VJIET, I deem it a great honor to propose a vote of thanks to all who helped us in making this FDP a grand success. At first, I would like to thank the AICT Atal Academy for funding this event on augmented reality and virtual reality, even during this pandemic situation. I take the privilege to thank the management of VNR VJIT, Principal, Director Sir, and HOD Madam for their constant support and guidance. I would like to thank to our young dynamic coordinator, P. Radhika Madam, for arranging such a useful knowledge sharing program. It is a really great opportunity to update our knowledge in the upcoming field, augmented reality and virtual reality. I am happy to express vote of thanks to our coordinator, Ramakrishna, and other staff members who have made this FDP a grand success. I would like to thank our distinguished speaker, Arvind Neelakantan sir, at Unity for making excellent presentation on augmented and virtual reality. I would extend my thanks to our speaker, Jay Naresh, for delivering this speech on role of AR/VR in education field. I would like to thank our speaker, Pradeep Sarkar, production head, Infinito Studio, for his excellent delivery on 3D models, animations, and many more in AR/VR. I would like to thank our speaker, Agam Vinay Kumar, for his speech on blueprint editors in AR/VR. I would like to thank our FTP coordinators for presenting the project developed in virtual reality in VNR Vijnana Jyoti. Last but not least, I thank all the participants for listening patiently all the sessions with utmost attention and eagerness. Once again, I thank for your constant support and encouragement for organizing this FDP. Thank you all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Gangappa sir. So you all have been wonderful participants and for all the 5 days, and feeling sad for missing you all. And anyone can say anything. Participants can say anything. Please
Yeah,
unmute.
I request the participants to give the feedback on the FTP. At least 2-3 participants, please come forward.
Yeah, please unmute your mic and then speak
Few words.
few words.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening. I'm Bhavani from JPR Engineering College, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Please on. Will you please on your video, ma'am?
Okay. Visible, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. You are visible. Thank you.
Okay, it's been a great time to have attend this FTP. Only thing is we don't find time since we have parallelly the online classes. You're about to go there and about to turn up immediately within an hour. So if we don't have online classes, we'd have attended the session fully. But still, we had a great time here, and especially special thanks to Radhika ma'am. You are really patient and giving reply in WhatsApp. If we ask permission for attendance also, you'll be replying immediately. You just join after the class. It's really shows your patience, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. And also, this is a very, actually, we thought if it is more presentation, it would have been very useful. It is fully, what to say, 3-dimensional rotation, and the screen is little bit smaller to view it. That is the only option we felt as a negative part. Other than that, it is okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Radhika, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks, Bhavani, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, sir. Jagannathan, sir. Please, sir.
Very good afternoon, all of you. I am very thankful to the
Please on
organizer,
your
Radhika
video,
madam. Madam, I am
Please on your video, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, madam. First of all, I thank the organizer for giving me an opportunity to participate in a wonderful 5 days FDP on AR and VR. So actually, I am the ECE background. Even though I am in ECE, so I understand very much in the programming concepts and all the, especially for Pradeep Kumar sir and Srikanth sir, all explain the things in very well. So actually, before joining this program, actually I don't know what is meant by AR and what is meant by VR. After the workshop, definitely I wholeheartedly says that I take something into this, and definitely it can be helpful for my students to explain the things, especially in last session. Sara has explained very well how the EMF theory is explained by using AR. So normally electromagnetic field theory, mainly in ECE, this is a crucial and very powerful subject, but most of the students are unable to understand. But Sara has clearly given the instructions by using AR concepts to explain the EMF theory in very well. So I think it may be useful for to explain EMF theory in my students. Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. I am very fortunate to associated with all the nice participants in various participants from throughout the India. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jagannathan, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam.
Any other participant would like to speak?
Yeah, I think Usharani madam on.
Madam, good
Yeah,
afternoon, everyone.
yeah,
Uh,
ma'am.
we would
Please.
like to thank Radhika Madam for a good organization of the workshop. We also thank all the resource persons, Madam. You have chosen the right persons for this workshop. They were all dedicated. They have given good inputs. As already Sir just mentioned, I am also from ECE background. I know the concept, I know the power of AR, VR, madam. I have written one project proposal, but this is a fully tool oriented. To be frank, till today I didn't unable to load into my system. But every day I'm listening with so much of carefulness. The animations, the work, what they upload, that's very good. Now we have to practice, madam. In between, as one of our co-participants told, we are having online classes, we are having digital content preparation tab. Many tasks are around us. Just we are listening, madam, but we have not practiced. But it's a very good thing, madam. Thank you so much. Thank you for entire team as well as the resource persons. Thank you, madam.
Yeah, thanks, Usharani ma'am, for your inspiring words. Thank you. Yeah, Divya ma'am, Divya DS, you are an active participant. Divya ma'am,
Yeah, hello, madam. I would like to say something.
yeah, please on your video and speak.
Yeah, there is some problem with my video. I cannot turn it on.
Madam, actually, it was a wonderful FDP, and
Please on your video, ma'am. Please on your video once. Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
yes, madam. Actually, it was a wonderful FDP, and previously I heard some basics about Unity only, and by this FDP, I came to know more about this Unreal also, and it was a good experience. And thank you for organizing this FDP, and it was very useful for us, for all the participants. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Yes, anyone, any participant can speak. Yeah, you are posting your messages in chat box also. The feedback will be shared in ACT Atal link. You can post your feedback. After posting your feedback, you will get the certificate, because since you have written the exam, the marks will be uploaded. After posting that feedback, you will get the certificate, ma'am and sir. Balvinder sir, you can speak now. Balvinder sir, are you there?
Yeah, hello, madam. Can I say something?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Madam, the most wonderful part of this FDP was the practical sessions. Everything was shown practically, and even more wonderful was you uploaded the recording after the end of every day. So that recording will be with us, and we'll be able to practice, and we'll really be able to develop this so-called unknown subject. I was absolutely blank about what is AR and VR before this workshop, but uh, I can say I will be able to learn this after this workshop. So the most the picture that I like most was the practical sessions, you showed everything practically. Then there was no speech. There were no speeches and no theory lectures. Everything was shown practically. Wonderful FDP it was. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Milind sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? So, ma'am, thank you very much for organizing this wonderful FDP. So, all the sessions were very nice. So, I am from ECE background. So, I did not know anything about AR, VR. I just heard these two terms, but now I know many things. So, I come to know how to like model 3D objects and how to implement applications. So, it was a wonderful experience. Thank you very much for arranging this type of FDP. And I request you if, to kindly post any related study material if you have, so that we can practice and we can further develop our knowledge from the base which you have provided us in these 5 days. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, I'll post, sir, if material is available. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir. Yeah, thank you all. You have. Okay, okay, ma'am. We'll definitely check. We have posted attendance just now. We'll just check. Thank you, Sarita ma'am. Yeah, thank you all for your excellent words towards the FDP on AR and VR. And I hope the sessions, all the sessions enlightened you and you got some insights into AR and VR, and you're motivated in developing some of the real-time projects. Thank you very much. We will leave the session now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Katir sir. Thank you, Priya. Rutuja Kulakarni sir. Yeah, let me check, sir. Rohit sir, thank you. Divya ma'am, thank you. Siddesha ma'am. Anjit Raja sir. Sandeep Rao sir, thank you all. Anita ma'am, thank you. Yes, sir, definitely. Yeah, definitely. If you have any queries regarding your attendance, please ping me personally. Please check your attendance because attendance is not yet finalized. Thank you, Bhavani ma'am.